Do all you Karens know why we call you Karen? Because y'all be caring too much about shit that ain't none of your business.
Hey honeybees, I'm back at it again with another tutorial. This one's going to be how to do your face with whatever's lying around in your purse. Look, whatever's lying around in the makeup bag, that's the only tools we got. So I'm starting down with my eyebrow powder by NYX, and then I'm overlaying the Makiage little brow stencil thing. I love this thing. It fills it in so naturally, guys. And it just gets every little hair together. Snatch it up. And now I'm laying down my NYX eyeshadow base. Now this won't obviously be a full face because I don't have all of the items just lying around in my purse every day for a full face. But it will be a face. Look, we're gonna get something out of this. So lay down the NYX little eye primer and tan nude, and then I'm laying down this the Balm Auto Balm Day to Night palette. I love this purple, guys. It's so pretty. Like the payoff of the color isn't showing up that well on camera, but I promise you this purple is like everything. It's so iridescent and just like glowy. Oh my god, I love it so much. So now she's moving in. Silly little hack that I do, I take brow gel, like clear brow gel, and just prime my lashes with that. If it's my natural lashes that I'm going to wear for the day. It's a little something that I do. I don't know if it's right. I don't know if it's wrong. Hey, I'm doing it. It's what works for me. So moving on, I'm taking this beautiful, beautiful, like iridescent, creamy eyeshadow. It's the same purpley like color. Gosh, it's not even showing the true color up on camera. I'm so mad, but you guys get to see it in the photos better. The still photos show up way better, like all the flakes of blue and purple and aqua in there. It's so pretty. It kind of matches my Durag. That's why I was like, oh, this is a cool little combo video. You guys will get a 2-in-1 here. The how to wear your bling Durag, DIY Durag, and then the combo of doing my makeup with whatever's in my bag. Look. So on the fly, I'm just overlaying this lovely yellow, like greenish glitter, darling. Just strategically placing. It is a liner, so I did line my top like eyelid with it, but I love to be extra. I love the glitter effect that it gives when you move in different light, especially if this is a nighttime look, girl. Just everything gives me life. So once I lay that down, I'm just letting it dry, and I took the time to line my lips. This is any old like dark brown lip liner shade that I have. It works. It's super short, so obviously I need a new one, but it's my favorite one. That's why. So now I'm mixing in this peachy, beautiful fall tone pink on top, and blend, honey, blend for your life. Yes, blend those lips. And then I'm taking Huda Beauty's lovely, is it a cream-based lip gloss? I love this. So moisturizing, and obviously you see that color payoff, boo. It's irreplaceable. Can't do anything without it. So I just laid on like a nice lacquer lip oil. So now we're moving on. I'm gonna do the quick layering effect with the mascara here. I did one layer already, and the Thrive Cosmetics, just look at that buildup. Wow, really just elongates my lashes. I love Thrive Cosmetics. Shout out to you guys. This ain't sponsored, but I wish it was. Anyways, so now we are going into the bedazzling of the Durag. Yo, this is so exciting. I just like bought this Durag so cheap. You can get it from probably like your local beauty supply, literally less than $4, okay? So then I take the silver thread. It's like braid thread that like you would incorporate into braids if you were doing like any kind of braided look, you know, you can decorate them with. And I did that to both sides of the strings. And this is just gonna act as if like it's our anchor. So I went ahead and put these little cute little crowns, some silver, some gold, I'm extra, whatevs. And I just place those along the string, once again as anchor. And I'm taking these dangly ones. I'm showing you all the cute ones. There's even a little spider web one, guys, for Halloween. Look how cute. And I'm just gonna go ahead, I've already done some, so you can see the little leaf there is on the seashells. So I've got one here, seashell. I'm going to link it into the string and make sure the loop closes back securely, y'all, okay? It's basic and it's yours, so you make it what you want. Put as many on there as you want, or as little as many as you want, but just bear in mind when you're wrapping it, you want those dangly pieces, if you use those type like I did, to fall forward into your face. So wherever you're placing them, make sure the string wraps around and wrap around your head, and you can tie it in the back. And it shows the cute little fun stuff. Look. Now it's already like a little hollow glitter chrome Durag, but I just made it extra girly, extra fun, extra cute for extra cheap, boo. Look. You know how we do. Get in here, honeybees. I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick, cute little tutorial on how to DIY your Durag, baby. And a quick little, you know, make a face out of nothing. You know, whatever's in your purse. You can make it happen. So leave us a like, subscribe down below, hit the notification bell for more. And I can't wait for you guys to see what's in store next. Please take time to come shop with me over on B Styles Beauty Shop. My link is below. Okay, bye. I love you so much.